Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosasa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Amahle Gasela is already throwing shades at Utirelo. Amahle Gasela at Mpumelelo Mseliku's new girlfriend. Le abantu bebasoloko basho ukuthi gele siyakuvela owazi wayifaka enkingeni, but it seems like ugele tough, or it seems like ugele uqhamuka prepared, because uyambona ukuthi as much as people are saying ukuthi hayi wena siyakuvela, wena you seem like a person lo thulile, lo down to earth, ngathi ngana unayo, but hey ugele ngathi so yasibonisa le side lakhe ukuthi yathi kuthini. Mina I've done my research, so someone commented video yakhe on TikTok athi kumele abe careful ngaTirelo because uyajoyelana. This person says ungahleki noTirelo, ujoyelana kabi. Umabiyela waphendula wathi nyamazi, and people were like, hey bana uyamazi already. And people said ukuthi my comment section said ukuthi, hey girl, it seems like when uqhamuka vele so fast ngani, uqhamuka vele so prepared ukuthi kutoshuba. Also people are saying ukuthi, hey girl, besekulwela, but siyabona ukuthi hey ngazuthi mandla unawo uyingani, ngazuthi uyithwele enhloko. Azathi uyamati kusho ukuthi iTirelo sekhona alake wakwenda kugele, wathi yazama kumsusa endleleni. Ugele wathi hey wangendivuyokazi mina, wangendivuyokazi ngidokule mata. So people are saying ukuthi hey gele singathi uyiphethe lento, asibone ukuthi italk fix up. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.